ever happened to you? Or this? Oh God, your breath smells so bad you can't even stand it. Well, with my Feel Better cough drops, I'm pretty sure you'll feel better. Let's hear some reviews from some of our satisfied customers. And these cough drops are amazing, boy. When you eat a Halls, your breath usually stinks afterward. It smells like boo-boo. And we don't want your breath to smell like boo-boo. In addition, my product is wrapped in a fresh, new sheet of paper. Make sure to recycle for the environment. My product is only $1.99. That's right, $1.99. You can find it at Walmart or Target. So let's start shopping. Don't wait and buy a pack of Feel Better.